At ERTH, we're involved in all aspects of electrical metering, from testing, verifying, and sealing of electricity meters in compliance with Measurement Canada standards, to the assembly and commissioning of retail and wholesale metering installations in compliance with IESO and Measurement Canada requirements. Accredited Meter Verification Program. Through our Measurement Canada Accredited Meter Verification Program, ERTH tests, verifies, seals, and certifies electricity meters for utility, industrial, and retail customers across Canada. ERTH's growing program is currently approved to test 165 meter models with thousands of approved configurations. As a trusted partner, ERTH liaises with meter manufacturers and Measurement Canada on our customers' behalf to ensure their meters conform to all respective standards. ERTH also provides project management services for meter populations to ease the burden on LDCs and other meter owners and ensure their ongoing compliance with Measurement Canada standards. Wholesale metering. As the first IESO registered meter service provider in Ontario, ERTH designs, procures, assembles, and installs metering installations for the wholesale market to meet and maintain IESO requirements. Additionally, ERTH registers and audits metering installations with the IESO and completes all compliance documentation to satisfy the requirements in the market rules, manuals, and procedures. Beyond project management, consulting, and installation, ERTH also maintains and monitors metering installations to ensure accurate metering data and performs any required maintenance, repairs, or upgrades. Metering field services. ERTH has over 20 years of field experience supporting LDCs, retail and industrial customers across Ontario. As a leading provider of metering field services, ERTH installs new service metering installations for small or large load customers and upgrades existing meter installations to convert them to Measurement Canada standards. We are also able to provide day-to-day field support for LDCs across all metering disciplines to complement internal resources. When it comes to metering, LDCs, retail, and industrial companies require a partner they can trust to ensure compliance and accuracy. ERTH is your trusted advisor for AMV, MSP, and metering field services.